Welcome to Ask the Mod Squad. I'm Dor from MOD Bikes, and today we're tackling your biggest questions about the MOD Easy Sidecar. From how it rides to who or what you can bring along. We've got you covered, so let's jump in. How to install your MOD Easy Sidecar. Place your bike on its kickstand. Make sure you have all 3 quick release pins. Lift the sidecar by its wheel and roll into position alongside the bike. Align the 2 lower eye bolts with the bike's mounting points. Insert the first quick release pin. Move to the other lower mount and insert the second pin partway. Push both lower pins all the way through and secure them with their nuts. Align the bike and the sidecar for the top mount. Insert the top quick release pin and lock it in place. Adjust the sidecar support arm so the bike stands perfectly upright. How to remove the sidecar? Reverse the same steps. Unlock the top pin, remove both lower pins, and roll the sidecar away. Always ensure all quick release pins are fully inserted and locked before riding. Can I use the sidecar on trails? Well, it depends what you mean by trails. If it's a smooth, packed path, then sure. But keep in mind, the sidecar is low and wide, so it's not made for technical mountain biking or narrow single track. Think bike paths, beach, boardwalks, and neighborhood cruising. That's where it shines. Do you have a step-through frame version? Yep. If you like the sidecar style but want an easy step-through frame, check out our Mod Groove. Same geometry and vibe as the Easy, just easier to hop on and off. And it's perfect for shorter riders who want extra comfort and confidence getting on and off the bike. Can my dog ride in the sidecar? Absolutely. It is one of our favorite uses. The MOD Sidecar can carry up to 150 pounds, so big dogs are welcome. If you want more space, you can pull the seat out in seconds by removing a single bolt from the underneath. We've included an anti-slip cushion to help your pup stay stable and multiple built-in leash points to keep them safe and secure. And it's not just for solo pets. 2 smaller dogs can ride together comfortably. We've even seen 2 pigs enjoy the trip. For smaller dogs or even cats, we have the MOD Passenger, a front basket insert that lets them ride right up in front with you. Can adults or kids ride in the sidecar? Definitely. The sidecar might look small, but it's surprisingly roomy. It comes with a comfortable seat and seat belt so kids or adults can ride safely. We recommend keeping the passenger in the sidecar under 150 pounds, it's about 70 kilos, and making sure the total combined rider weight on the bike and sidecar stays under 400 pounds. That's roughly 180 kilos. How powerful is the motor? Will it handle hills with the sidecar? So today we're in here in this pretty crazy hill. We saw some cars struggling to go up this hill, and we measured here 11% incline on this hill, and this translates to about a 19% slope. So you can take your iPhone and basically do the same measurement at the hill that you have next to your house that you're curious to see how it will do. The MOD Easy has a powerful 750 watt motor with metal plated gears that will help and take all of that torque as you're going uphill. Now, it's very, very important to know what to expect. So this is not a motorcycle, this is a pedal assist bicycle. It has a motor that will assist you while pedaling to go uphill. So I'm gonna use the full power of the motor together with the gears to climb up this hill. I'm gonna start from the bottom from a standstill. And as I said, this hill is pretty massive. So I'm about 165 pounds. I have a few weights here, sandbags inside the sidecar to illustrate a second passenger. And let's see how it does. Let's go. All right, so speed picks up. Now we're starting to climb here, 14 miles an hour. I'm pedaling, I'm shifting gears down. Second gear, first gear. I'm holding the throttle all the way and pedaling. Now I'm putting a little bit of effort. Speed is about 6 miles an hour, 5 miles an hour. Now it starts to become like easier. So, as you can see, we did it. We wanted to show you the worst case scenarios. This hill is massive. Maybe now you can see on the back and you can understand how massive this hill is. But as you can see, for us, it's just to set the expectations. This is not a motorcycle. This is a pedal assist bicycle. It can go and help you to go up this hill, and it can much more easily help you to go up smaller hills than this. So this is it. I would call this a success. Why is the MOD Easy Sidecar so expensive? Well, we hear both sides. Some people are surprised the MOD Easy Sidecar costs less than they expected, while for others it's still a big investment. And we get it. We've actually lowered the prices recently to make it more accessible. But the truth is, all of our products are priced as competitively as possible. We're based in Austin, Texas, employing local staff and paying fair wages. A lot goes into engineering these bikes and creating services so you get the best product and experiences possible. We don't cut corners, our bikes are packed with useful, innovative features and built to last. As they say, you get what you pay for. Can the sidecar be attached to any bike? Here at MOD Bikes, we're focusing on creating products and experiences for our MOD riders, and our sidecars are designed specifically for the MOD Easy and the MOD Groove. It took a lot of trial and error and smart engineering to make them safe, stable, and incredibly easy to use. And that's not something we can replicate for other bikes. That's why we don't sell the sidecar separately, but if you really want one, you could always upgrade to a MOD bike, and I promise you, you won't regret it. How do shipping, delivery, and assembly work? We've made it super simple. Just place your order online and we'll ship you your bike anywhere in the world. Both the bike and the sidecar arrive about 90% assembled. You'll just have to take them out of the box, connect the front wheel, handlebar, attach the sidecar wheel, and handle a few small finishing steps. It's quick, easy, and designed so you can do it yourself. We've got clear videos and written guides to walk you through it. And if you ever need a hand, our support team is ready to help over phone, chat, or video. How do I handle support and maintenance for my MOD bike? That's one of the best parts about MOD Bikes. We're in this together and we've got your back. Our support team is top-notch and we'll do whatever it takes to help you. With video, chat, and phone support available 7 days a week, we also have a growing network of mobile mechanics and partner stores for ongoing maintenance. Plus, all of our bikes use standard components and any good local bike shop can work on them. And if you ever need help finding a shop near you, just reach out to our team. We'll connect you with someone in your area. No problem. Can I modify my MOD bike? Absolutely. Our bikes are built to be modified. You can choose from different colors, add specialty design stickers for extra style, and pick from a full lineup of custom accessories to make your mod exactly what you need. And it's not just about the looks. Our unique electric system lets you completely customize how your bike rides. Want gentle, slow acceleration for new riders? Easy. Prefer super punchy, fast setup for experienced riders? You can do that too. Plus much more, all from our user-friendly interface. Whether it's style, comfort, or performance, you can truly make your mod your own. Is it hard to ride the MOD Easy Sidecar? Since we launched the MOD Easy Sidecar, we worked hard to make it surprisingly easy to ride. And honestly, most people are shocked at how quickly they pick it up. Now, this isn't a tricycle. It's a bicycle with a sidecar, so you have an extra wheel on the right. That means turning right feels totally normal, while turning to the left takes a little leaning into the turn and slowing your speed slightly. I won't lie, there is a short learning curve, but after a day or two, you won't even think about it. The easiest way to start is to keep your feet on the pedals, use the throttle only, and just get a feel for how it handles. Once you're comfortable, you can start pedaling and enjoy the ride. And here's a little tip. It's actually easier with some weight in the sidecar than when it's empty. And I'm sure you got this, I trust you. What is the minimum and maximum rider height for the MOD Easy Sidecar? With the no suspension seat post, the seat can go as low as about 37 inches, 93 centimeters from the ground. That means most riders around 5'3", that's about 160 centimeters, can sit and ride comfortably.
Even Alex here, who's 5'2", feels good on it. On the other end, with the seat all the way up and the stem set up to its highest position, we've had riders as tall as 6'9", like Jeremy here, ride it comfortably.
So whether you're on the shorter side or really tall, the MOD Easy Sidecar can fit a wide range of riders. That's this episode of Ask the Mod Squad. If you got more questions, drop them down in the comments below, or reach out to our team, or check out modbikes.com. And if you're ready for the sidecar adventures on your own, we can't wait to welcome you to the MOD family.